What is going on, guys? We're back here at B&R Fishing. It is February 15th, 2025. We are fishing the Blazin Kat Tournament trail. I got Brandon here with me. We got a couple fellas out here ready to catch some hogs, crank some hogs. I don't know, I'm feeling pretty optimistic today, guys. We got some pretty weather here behind us. We're gonna ride right into that sunset and go find us a big old hog to pull in a boat. You guys stay tuned. It should be a good day of fishing. Here we go, guys. We got the tournament director. He's pulling out the creek now. He's gonna sound that horn and everybody's gonna blast off. So let's get it. All right, guys, we're back. We're set up at our first spot. Got some shad cut in the water. We've had a few bites on this orange rod right here, but we've only been here for about 3 minutes, so you guys stay tuned. We should hammer down on some good ones. We trusted our old graph, and she told us there's one down there, so we're gonna find out real quick. Hey, buddy, you wanna come hang out? Come on. I got a fresh live well, cleaned out, filled up. Oh, he likes that. He likes that. Filled up. We'll fill it up with fresh water. There we go. Fresh live well. Gets them going every time. Keep it clean for him. I don't think he's great big, but he's going in the well. Oh, he's swimming at us. I don't know. He's been fooled once. Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, can't put the blame on you. So let's see. Can't put the blame on you. Back. Well, guys, that's why they call it fishing and not catching. Not sure where they're at. Right there. There's he at. Maybe a 20. He's feisty. He's feisty. Probably like 15, 20 pounds. Nah, not exactly what we're looking for, but we'll take him. Spinning up like the last one. Yeah. Alright, stick them in. I think we got him, guys. Feeling better? Come on. Come on. Oh yeah, he's acting like a good one. Oh my god, Tom. No! He's a good one. There he is. There it is. Okay. Starting to pick up here. That's all we need. Get in there, get in, get in. This is the one we needed, Tyler. Told you that's why I didn't pick up the head rod. Let it wait. He's coming up stream. Oh shit. Holy shit, Tyler, it's a 60. I can tell you right now it's a 60. I've never seen one get. Tyler, get his big bitch ass in that fucking net. There he is. For sure, he's high 40s. Good. He's swimming away with it. Trust me, reel him, reel him, reel him. Hooked up again, guys. We're talking last 10 minutes of the tournament. We need one more pretty good one, and we'll be looking very good for this weigh-in. Not gonna beat anything. Pull him in here, unhook him real quick. Okay, I got him.